In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher. You need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to scroll down and access Apps section. From it, click on Choose Default Apps. Tap on Home App category and click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then select Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. You can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!